Hello, friends. Running Kimono here. So it is Sunday, August the 3rd. We are over at Walgreens. And oh my gosh, if you have some of these coupons remaining in your digital coupons folder, we're talking free power wash, free Febreze, free shampoo, free with the magic 10 back when you spend 30 booster. This is what I'm talking about. I bought a $33 basket this morning. It was a little bit more, and I'm going to show you what I grabbed and how to figure out what is in it, what is and is not included in store. Nothing was tagged at my store because I was there very early. But if you look at the very top, look at my expiry date. It's this Wednesday. So if you are so lucky to earn one of these, you must use them right away because 3 days. It's very, very quick turnaround. In this video, we are going to be looking at the bottom one, which is a 9 back when you spend 40 in store. The one on top is for online only. However, in store, it is to spend 30 to earn back that $10 register reward I just showed you. So we'll look at that tomorrow. But this specific one, we're going to be looking at the $30, what to buy in store. And if you want to try, there is a 4x6 photo that's about 40 cents. So it is the smaller one. If you use the promotion code 50 all day at the store, you'll pay 20 cents and a booster may or may not print for you, like a 5 back when you spend 15. I had no such luck today with this, but it is what it is. If you guys could do me a huge kindness and please give this video a big enthusiastic thumbs up, I would be so grateful. It really helps me out that this video doesn't end up in YouTube Siberia. If you could take a second and like the video, I would be so grateful. And I am like hyper by these deals. If you have, like, I'm not even breathing while I'm doing this voiceover. I'm so excited in this video today. So the first thing we're going to talk about is this. It is a 10 back when you spend $30 on P&G items. It may or may not be tagged at your store. And how I was able to decipher what was and was not included is that if you open up the app and scan a barcode, if this thing is popping up, the 15 back when you spend 45, it's likely in the promotion. Roll the dice, take a chance if you want to try that, yes or no, or you could do exactly what I'm showing. First couple deals I'm going to show you guys are if you just want to roll Walgreens cash. The first is to grab 3 of these 350 Crest toothpastes. Be sure to load your friend, which is the 5 off 3 digital coupon for maximum savings. This is a very straightforward deal. Alternatively, you could also grab the Oral-B toothbrushes if you wish. 3 of these at $3.50 a pop is $10.50. Subtracting that digital coupon, you'll pay $5.50. Get back a $5 register reward, making it 50 cents for the 3 or 16 cents per unit. If you're doing this deal with no booster, yes, you can use Walgreens cash to pay down the balance to earn that register reward. The next deal is with the Colgate. Now, this is not part of the P&G family. It is these 450 Colgate Optic Whites, $3 reward when you purchase 2. And this morning we got a 4 off a 2 digital coupon. So make sure you have this friend loaded. As you can see, it's valid for the next 2 weeks. Grabbing 2 of these pastes, it's going to be $9. Subtracting that digital coupon, you'll pay $5. Get back a $3 register reward, making it $2 for 2 or $1 per paste. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. And Colgate is part of the Palmolive family, so it is not P&G. So don't assume anything because that's a common mistake. I'm just going to point something out. The Dove Men and Dove Women's was $7 for the last couple weeks, and now it's $8. Price increase, anyone? We have a 5 off 2 digital coupon. So here it is, guys. Grabbing 2 of these for $16. Subtracting that digital coupon, you'll pay $11. Get back a $5 register reward, making it $6 for the 2 or $3 per body wash. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. I would definitely throw this one into a booster deal because it is a little bit out of pocket. Dove's parent company is also Unilever. This is not a P&G product. $6.49 for these shampoos on a buy one, get one 50% off. $5 register reward when you purchase 2. And we have a 4 off 2 digital coupon. Make sure you have it loaded. Grabbing 2 of these shampoos, it'll be $9.73. Subtracting your digital coupon, pay $5.73, get back a $5 register reward, making it 73 cents for the 2 or 36 cents per shampoo stock up price. If you're doing this deal with no booster, yes, you can use up to $5 of Walgreens cash, and that is a really good deal. Now back to the conversation about I'm noticing some price increases. This $6 shampoo is not part of it this week in the store. However, in store we have $8 shampoos, and this is the 12 ouncer that's always part of it. And even the plain one, it was ringing up for $8. $3 register reward when you purchase 2. And if you look at the very top, guys, see how it says Head and Shoulders 12.5 ounce? Grabbing 2 of these for $16. We do have a 3 off 2 digital coupon. You would pay $13. Get back a $3 register reward, making it $10 for the 2 or $5 per. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. This subsequently is part of the spend 30 to earn back that paper $10 register reward, and it would be half of your basket. But this one product jumped like $2, and I did notice that. So unless you're throwing it into a booster basket, I'm just not buying this on its own anymore, because for the longest time we were getting these 5 for 2. And again, I'm just pointing this out because I did do a video about P&G price increases, and yeah, we're noticing. Okay, so now we're going to look at this. It's the Harry's. It was a line of like razors for the longest time, and now they have a spend 25 to earn back 10. Specifically, these body washes that are $7.99. We're going to be looking at for this deal. There is an IBOTTA rebate and a Fetch rebate as well. So I would double, triple check if you have the same rebates as I. And we also have a 2 off 2 digital coupon that showed up this morning for this product. So here's your friend. It's a 2 off a 2. So make sure you have it loaded, and this is not a P&G product as well, guys. So IBOTTA has a $2 back that you can do a limit of up to 3 times. So make sure you have this loaded and it's there. And then Fetch has this one of spend 10 to earn back 15, and you can do it of a limit of 3 times. Okay, so here it is, friends. 4 of those body washes will be $31.96. Subtracting that $2 digital, you're paying $29.96. Getting back a $10 register reward, $6 back from IBOTTA. Let's hope $4.50 back from Fetch. Makes it $9.46 for the 4 or $2.36 per. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. And this is its own company. They're not with Unilever or P&G. So if you were going to throw this into a P&G $30, not the same thing. Sorry, guys. Okay, so this morning, this was the only booster that I was working with in store, which is a 9 back when you spend 40. Unfortunately, I could not get a paper booster to print for me, and I just magically could not find one. And those are the breaks sometimes. So the first thing that I did was I grabbed 4 participating products with this. It is to buy 4 of these products to get back a $2 register reward. And all of this stuff is, in fact, tracking with the spend 30 to earn back that $10 register reward. So what I grabbed was a regular Dawn Power Wash, that red Dawn Power Wash, a Dawn Suds, 3 of the Crest, and then that Febreze double clip, and that's like $33-ish. All of that is tracking for the spend 30 to earn back that $10 register reward. I am short from getting to a $40 basket, so I also threw in 2 of the Dove shampoos. Now, for all that Dawn and Febreze, these are the following coupons that I had, which is a 3 off of 1 for the double pack for those car clips. Also, I had a $2 for the Power Suds. And then the final 2 $2 coupons is a $2 for the red Power Wash and a $2 for the regular Power Wash. So that is a lot of coupons. Hopefully you still have them on your account. Just to jog through this math, 4 of those P&G products, 3 of them are $5.99. 1 is $4.99 for $22.96. 3 Crest products for $10.50. They're $3.50 a pop. 2 Dove shampoos on a buy one get one 50% off for $9.73. The overall total is $43.19. I've well achieved my $30 price point for the spend 30 to earn back $10 register reward for P&G, and then my $40 basket to earn back $9 in Walgreens cash. I had my booster loaded. I also had $18 in digitals that are melting off. 9 for the P&G, 5 for Crest, and I believe 4 for the Dove shampoo. So I paid $25.19 with my debit card, got back $9 in Walgreens cash, $22 in register rewards. It made my basket free plus a $5-ish money maker. Remember not to use Walgreens cash to pay down the balance, as you're using a spend 40 to earn back 9. What a basket, what a deal if you can line this up exactly as I'm describing. Okay, that's it for this video, guys. Dollar General clearance event is still continuing right till August the 7th, which is Thursday. If you want to check out the video of a lot of deals that are still ongoing, watch the video linked right here, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.